Hello, friends. Welcome to Squared Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to be doing a collab with Tamra, the paper and pen girl, amongst others, for the 25 Days of Planner Tips series. So I am day 14. We do have someone before me, which is Amanda at Amanda's Favorites. So if you're coming from her channel, hello. There will be another video tomorrow, and that will be with Chloe at Squaird Plans. Lots of good tips. I've been trying to follow along as best I can. It's a busy time. Been seeing what you guys have been putting out there, so I'm excited to be a part of this, and I've already gotten some great tips from other creators. So again, thank you for joining me if you're new, and let's get into it. The topic for this collab is how to get the most out of your planner. This is something near and dear to my heart because I'm always trying to make things more efficient, specifically for myself and for my family. Anything that I can do to do less and get more done is always a good thing for me. So I really felt like this topic touched on that specifically with planners. My first tip really is to simplify in order to avoid overwhelm. I have in the past tried to expand my planner and do all of the cute things and all of the tracking, and in the end, it just ends up sometimes being too much. So I started out pretty simple. I only had one planner. I was doing a health planner in the beginning, and that kind of led me into decorative planning, which is what I do now. I'm also in a discbound planner. This is my planner, in case, again, you're new. I have a catch-all with everything inside my planner all in one place. Don't have multiple planners. That was too overwhelming for me and things got forgotten. And I also have a unique system that I think helps me get the most out of my planner, basically. I'll talk about that in a second, but just if you are fairly new to planning, or even if you've been planning for a long time and you just start to feel like you don't want to plan or that your planner isn't working for you, that is a great time to reevaluate, simplify, and just get down to the basics. If you are mainly using your planner for scheduling or controlling your tasks and making sure things are getting done, you don't really need that much. You can even go as simple as a to-do list with a monthly schedule so that you can see what's coming up and keep track of the tasks that need to be done. So you can simplify, or, as you get more comfortable using your planner, getting your planner to work for you, that's when you slowly start to add the fun, the expanded tracking, the pages that bring you joy, that kind of thing. So that is when you want to start adding in once your planner is already doing what you need to do, which is basically plan your life, whatever situation you are planning in. So as my first tip, I recommend starting small, building over time, and then when you are just not having a planner work for you, even if you've expanded quite a bit, take a look at your planner and cut back. My next tip is to go with the flow. This is a system of planning that I use pretty uniquely, at least I've seen in the planner world. I haven't heard a lot of people talk about this, but basically setting your planner up so that there's a natural rhythm or a flow to your planner system. This helps you get a repetition in your planner, and as you get that rhythm, I think it just helps you use the planner more and also be more efficient with your planner. My planner system, like I said, I have one big planner here, and I have a couple of different ways that I organize it in order to simplify my life. At the front, I have a 6-tab system here. So this set of tabs is mainly for the sections of my planner. I have like an inbox, I have goals, I have productivity, my schedules, reference materials. So like I said, this is kind of an all-in-one planner because I can't handle having multiple planners all over the place. And it is also a discbound so that I can rearrange and customize it to my needs. So my first set of tabs over here just divides up my planner into sections. They are in a line. There is no like conflicting tabs in between them so that I get lost as I'm looking through my planner where, you have a monthly sticking out or whatever. The rhythm is very flowing, and I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are my 6 sections of my planner. I also have a large set of tabs here at the top. These are my bookmark tabs, and these help me flow through my daily pages that I need to touch in my planner. If I don't have it marked, or if I don't have something there to tell me to look at it, things get missed. And if you really want to use your planner to its fullest, if you really want to track all the things and see it get filled out on a daily basis, this is a really good system. I have multiple tabs, and it might be a lot for you. I have like 5 different planners in this one planner, only like a month of each at a time, and that's why there's so many tabs. But if you only have a one planner system where you're basically have a year, a month, a day, or a weekly, and that's pretty much it, then just having those tabs marked, the ones that you need to look at and maybe do something with on a daily basis at the top, will help you immensely to make sure that you're going through them every day. You know where to touch your planner, and then you can go and surf around and look at all the cute things that you've made for your planner as well in other pages. But primarily, you know that the work is being done, the planner is being used because you've looked at your bookmarked tabs at the top. And I have them organized in another kind of flow rhythmic pattern where each planner has 4 tabs, and I just go one planner after another, 4 tabs, 4 tabs, 4 tabs to the back. And so I know that front set of tabs is my first planner, which is my year planner there at the front, then my faith planner, then my health planner, and my agenda planner after that, and then my budget planner. And all of them have tabs for pages I need to look at on a daily basis. So that's another way to create a rhythm and a flow, and also keep you using your planner, getting the most out of it, and not getting distracted or forgetting things that you want to be addressing in your planner. So again, tip number 2 is to go with the flow, basically to organize your planner in a rhythmic system that works for you. And then finally, make it fun. I think that decorating your planner, using cute things, accessories that bring you joy, adding in things that you want to look at, that you want to be a part of, that you want to get inspiration from, really helps you get more out of your planner. I, like I said, started doing a health planner in the very beginning with a disc-bound happy planner, and I got the planner in order to kind of help me with my health journey. And just by adding some decorative stickers, bringing some color in with some markers, I was able to really start to hone in on my health and fitness journey. It made it more fun, more enjoyable, because I wanted to add in those workouts. I wanted to add in those stats that showed my progress. So decorating or using, like I said, accessories and things that are colorful and lively, or even if you like that neutral aesthetic, that are just nice and calm and peaceful and help you really want to be in your planner, is key. And when I say fun, like I said, the neutral aesthetic may be a little bit more calming, whatever, but basically something that's going to bring you joy when you're in your planner. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I do a lot of decorative planning. So if you kind of want to see how I use my planner and all of the things I make for it, I do a lot of DIY, and I also do plan with me's with stickers and mixed media and all the things. That is available on my channel. And I don't know what I was trying to say with that. It's basically, if you've never been here before, check out my channel. Anyway, so the key takeaway really from this tip is adding in decorative items that bring you joy, help you to do the work that your planner is basically telling you to do. Unfortunately, planners are there to tell you all the things you have to do, which is work, and nobody really wants to do work. So if you make it a little bit more engaging, make it more fun, or more enjoyable for you, to see those tasks and perhaps do them, then I think that is the benefit of decorating your planner or designing your planner to your specific aesthetic. So that is it, friends. My tips for how to get the most out of your planner. Don't forget to check out Chloe's video tomorrow. The videos, if you haven't been following along from the previous days, will all be linked down below in the description, along with Tamra's video that kicked things off. You do want to circle back on December 26th to the Paper and Pen Girls channel once again, where she'll do a wrap-up of the full collab, and then she'll have the list of the entire series in case you missed any videos. You can go and check those out at that time. And that is it, friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, to go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, or maybe just tell me which tip you loved from the series thus far. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Hosted by... I'm already not relaxed. Okay. I'm talking to myself. To Tamra's channel. I can't think of what I want to say. Okay. You do want to circle back on not January. Oh my gosh, why is this such a struggle?